Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now guys, as usual, let's take a look at the gold market. As you can see, our setup for this week mostly has been completed, as we have suggested in our weekly research that existing of the butterfly on the gold market, our breakout and weekly monthly pivot point, and the habit of the gold to retest previously broken levels. This combination really had a significant probability to show the meaningful retracement right back down to the pattern that was broken. Here on the daily chart it looks like the pennant, but on the intraday chart it mostly reminds the triangle. And we said but this is a minor event, but the major event here is the price fluctuation around the upper border of this pennant. Because if market will be able to stand above this trend line, it will keep chances on the further upward continuation. This will be normal bullish action. So market has shown the upward breakout, retested line, and continue move up. This is normal bullish breakout. So breaking down this line again, return back in the body of the pennant, will lead to the opposite breakout here and deeper retracement. Currently, we will not speak yet on some reversals or something of that sort. Let's call it as a deeper retracement first, but then we will see. So right now, till the end of the week, will be a really crucial moment. What will happen with this border? And probably the non-farm payrolls on Friday will play the significant role in this overall situation here. So, but currently, as you can see, retracement that we have expected has happened, and right now we just will be watching what will going on here around this line. So on the hourly chart, you could see actually some important moment. Those of you who have traded this butterfly probably was a bit nervous with this upward spike, but in reality, guys, if you will take a look careful in the triangle, you could recognize another butterfly here that's greater than this one. It stands right here. So take a look. That could become the left wing of the butterfly, and our butterfly here is in fact the right wing of the butterfly. And as a result, this 127 extension of this larger butterfly stands precisely at the top of this most recent spike. So nothing curious has happened here, guys. This is just a bit another pattern that also has been completed, by the way. Market right now stands in response to these butterflies, as this one that we have traded yesterday. So if you remember, I have talked about it as this large butterfly. So as market has completed the traded retracement, as this butterfly, as this one, the minimum target has been reached. Right now, market stands at the area that we have specified in the weekly research. This is weekly pivot point, Fib support 1260 area, and our trend line. So now we'll have to keep an eye on what will happen here and watch for the patterns. So, for example, if you would like to take the long position here, you need to drop your time frame and watch for some patterns, something of that sort. So if you will drop to the 30-minute chart, you will see that some kind of the butterfly right now is forming here. So right at the support. So that could give you the chance for taking the long position on the gold market. So keep eyes wide open and just watching for possible patterns that could be formed here, because that will be, guys, a crucial moment in the gold market for the short-term perspective. Whether gold will keep the bullish tendency, will keep the bullish sentiment, or it will turn to the deeper retracement on the daily chart that could last for weeks. So maybe 1-2 weeks it will spend in the downward action. And probably we should get this clarity very soon, so on the current week probably. So let's keep watching. Let's see what will happen next here.